They know my story.
So when it comes to knotless braids, this part of my clients hair is usually like hard for me to braid, but right now I'm going to be showing you guys how you can manage it. So first you want to start with like just very little like small pieces of hair. Right now, as you can see, I'm prepping it. Usually for like my medium, you're going to see me just insert like 5, but for this one I will end up inserting just more than 5, but in small pieces of hair basically, just because of it's just easier to grip and it makes it look more natural. It's not bulky at the root. It just looks really nice and flawless. So right now I am going to start. So I thought I wasn't recording it, but thank God I'm recording it. So now I'm going to braid once and I'm going to insert the small. Sorry guys, my camera went out. So I'm going to insert the small pieces first. You know, every now and then I'm trying so hard to make sure that my camera is like showing every single detail, so I'm trying to do better, guys. And I'm going to just keep insert the other one, and basically I'm going to start from the really tiniest one to the thickest one, basically, because it's going to have a very nice ombre from the roots. The root is not going to look sorry guys, the root is not going to look bulky. It's just going to look really nice and just flat and natural, but still give you the very nice medium size and also like full, as you're going to see towards the end of the video. So right now I'm still inserting because we're not there yet, and I'm going to braid. Sometimes people are going to braid twice instead of one time before they continue, but I just braid once because of, again, this part of hair is just a little bit sensitive, so I just try not to braid twice. So yeah, and that was basically like the most important part of that tutorial, because of that part always takes me forever. That's like the hardest part to me, really. Like sometimes even the edges as well, but usually that part is like very hard, because sometimes it could be really thin, really soft, and just more like what they call just more just softer than basically the other parts of the hair. But yeah, that's about it. When I was done with this video, I did use the hot water. I dipped it in hot water, and I also massaged the body of my client's braids, and I also used the blow dryer again, I think towards the end of the video. I'm not sure, but I'm trying to implement the blow dryer method that my friend showed me, as I mentioned in my previous video. And right now it's just how I prep my hair to make sure my parts are clean. But yes, that'll be all. And for even the second line, as you can see, I'm doing the same method as well. But then as I go up and up, I start using the more thicker amount of braids to insert. But for right now, I'm just going to stick with this method just to keep giving me the nice ombre look. But yeah, that'll be all. Let me know if this video was helpful to you guys. And yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. But then I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. I do have the hair link in my description as well, and the edge control, and as well as rat tail comb and all. But yeah, guys, that'll be all. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Thank you.
It's fake kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she run another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. I move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Cause you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me ya, say she give me pour me ya. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man, I wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine, say girls them a whining, them me grinding, I don't think so. Any man them me looking at the think so. Girl your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so. Girl pon me yard, see me pon me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Aye. Man a wine, say she give me for me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel up my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's fake kills.
We finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb up like them are watching. They are pretty about them too. Bad man, what you say?
Standard.
It's fake kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she want another nigga. I who's that? Baby tell me who's that? Look back, baby make you look back. Move that, where you move that. Touch that, baby me just wanna touch that. Enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel up my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pon me yard, say she give me pon me yard. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say girls them a whining, them me grinding, I don't think so. Any man them me looking at the think so. Girl your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so. Girl pon me yard, see me pon me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Aye. Man a wine, say she give me for me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel up my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's fake kills.
We finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb up like them are watching. They are pretty about them too. Bad man, what you say?
Standard.
Original bad man.
She said no, 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 no. She said yeah,
Original bad man. Body nice. See I got them girls, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Man I tell her me she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm all low. Man I tell her me she go low. Bad man I put you in a photo. I count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go